Hello and welcome to this presentation about the first stage of Lean 5S, Seiri or sort, about removing all of the clutter from your workplace. The 5 stages of 5S are sort, set in order, shine, standardize and sustain. We're going to talk today about sort, which is about removing all of the unnecessary items from your workplace. So sort is very much about removing everything that is not required in the workplace. The only things that should remain in the workplace are those items that are needed every day. Everything else should be removed or scrapped. So why is it that we actually want to remove the clutter? Well, simply it's going to free up space. It's going to remove obstacles. It's going to stop people adding to it. It's going to stop hoarding, it's going to improve safety, it's going to give control of what's in the area, and it's going to begin the next stage of the 5S process. So who is actually involved in undertaking the first stage of 5S? Well, everyone in the 5S team and also the actual area that you're actually working on. Everybody in that area should get involved in this first stage of 5S, even if they're not a member of the initial team. Your team should also involve people who are from outside of the specific area. The reason for this is they're more likely to actually question the need for some of the items and ask the silly question, what is this? The actual sort process itself is very simple to do. The entire team should spend a few hours going through the entire area, and that means inside cabinets, under machines, behind machines, everywhere. Everything should be checked, and all the obvious scrap should be put in the skip. Anything that you don't know what it is, all unidentified items should go in a quarantine area. Sometimes these are called red tag areas or crime watch areas, but everything that you don't know should go into that area. Also, any unnecessary items which actually have a value should also be placed in this area. Items that are just too big or too difficult to remove should have a red tag attached to identify them. The only things that should be left at the end of this process are the things that you actually use day in and day out. Otherwise, they should either be in the skip or they should be in the quarantine area. So again, your quarantine area or red tag or crime watch area is a storage area for all of the unidentified items and items that are not required but have an obvious value. Everything that you don't want should be in here. Once all the unwanted items have been removed into the quarantine area, it's then time to do something about those items. What you need to do is have a meeting after the clearing process, involved everybody in the company to actually identify and decide what to do with the items in the area. So for instance, they could be going to scrap, they could be being stored long term, or they may need to actually return to the area or a different area. The same should also be done for any machines and other items that you've actually attached red tags to within the area, and they should have their disposition decided and planned. So you actually decide when you are going to do something about it, whether you're going to remove the machine, whether you're going to repair it and actually use it, and so on. To give you some idea just how much difference the sort process can actually make in your business, these are some of the photographs taken from 5S programs that I've participated in. These are manufacturing and assembly operations, and these are the results of the sorting process. So once you've actually finished sorting the area or clearing the area, you should only have the items left that are actually required on a day-by-day basis. So what do we do next? Well, the next stage of 5S is set on, or set in order, and that's what we will talk about in the next video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this presentation on 5S. If you want to learn more about 5S and to download these presentations as PowerPoint presentations or PDF files, or you just want to find out more about Lean and the other Lean tools, go to www.leanmanufacturingtools.org. Thank you.